Shut up and sit down.
I made my own sheet up. As you can see here, you may not be able to see it very well. But for this it says, check upper and lower switch housing screw torque, 35 to 45 inch-pounds. First thing we're going to do is we're going to torque these switch housing bolts. There's one there. There's one there. I'm using an inch-pound torque wrench, and I will do it to 45 inch-pounds. It's torque. There's bottom one. It's at 45. Now this is a T25 Torx head screw bolts. I call them bolts. Call them what you like. There's one right here. Right there. Torqued. There's a here for this side of the switch case cover, and there's one right here. Again, 45 inch-pounds. It's tight. 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 Okay. That was torquing the switch housings.